What is up? How is everyone doing? The long wait is over and one of the projects are here. So right here we have the new project car. Here's a 2000 328 CI. With that being said, it's time to go to work. Like actual work, not work on the car. I wish I could work on the car. So fitment's a little tight. Rub's going down the road. But we're gonna go ahead and fix that. So I'm not sure what's going on with this side. I'd already done the other side. Do this side, trying to be a little nicer, and end up with a roll and a little wavy. Not sure what's going on. So I went ahead and decided to finish pushing it out, seeing if I can get the wheels to clear. Kind of went full send on it. Doesn't look very good. Paint's chipped. There's something back here that was preventing me from being able to push this out. I just kept rolling the edge. So that brings me to the dilemma. Do I fender flare? Do I over fender? Do I cut the quarters out and put new M3 quarters in? I don't know. I'm at least gonna go drive it, make sure the tire's clear. Give me time to think about what needs to be done, because that's not gonna work.